Now I will show you how to prepare cucumber dal. This cucumber is available now online also. All supermarkets also cucumber available. First take 1 cup of tur dal and wash it nicely 2 to 3 times. After that pour piping hot water on tur dal. Water should be more than 1 inch on the tur dal. Then cover the cooker with a lid for 10 to 20 minutes. Now peel off and cut the cucumber pieces. Before you cut cucumber pieces, please taste the cucumber. Some cucumbers will be bitter. After 20 minutes, dal is ready to cook. Now add cucumber pieces to dal. Add onions, chilies and tamarind also. Now cover the cooker with lid and place it on the stove. Keep flame at low flame. Cooking in low flame will give nice taste to dal. One whistle is enough. Dal is ready. Now add salt, chili powder, mix well. Add water to adjust consistency. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Take 2 spoons of oil in a pan. Let the oil heat. You can use ghee also. Using ghee will give nice taste to dal. 1 red chilli, cumin, mustard seeds, turmeric, asafoetida, curry leaves. Fry until golden brown. Add to dal. Tasty cucumber dal is ready to serve. This dal is very nice combination for rice and chapati also.